Good morning, Legion. The end of a busy week with the Sovereign MPC proposal updated on the forum and moving towards the vote next week, along with the countdown to NearCon ongoing and some new merch designs hitting the Legion merch store. In spite of market conditions, with metals going ballistic and crypto staying sleepy, it's still a fantastic time to be in the Near ecosystem and in the Near Legion. Today, our first story comes from right here at home. Near email is here. Head over to near.email, log in with your wallet, get an early invite code, and enjoy encrypted email to any other Near account or existing email on the internet. It's pretty cool, and it's also a nice step towards creating new on-chain primitives that feel like the old ones but are not tracking or harvesting any of your data. Our next story is about the central theme we talk about time and time again. Just how good are the closed source models compared to the open source competition coming out of China? Well, see the latest benchmarks for yourself. For Kimi 2.5 and QuenMax Thinking, as Steven says, it's hard to see a US lead versus open source Chinese models, and honestly, he's not wrong. Also, don't sleep on iQuest Coder. We've talked about that one before, and it still doesn't have the visibility or love that I think it deserves. Stay on the lookout for DeepSeek v4. It might be even better than Kimi 2.5 and QuenMax Thinking when it finally drops. Our last story today, once more on AI automation and replacements of white-collar intelligent jobs. The co-founder of Anthropic went on the record saying that he would give a 50% chance that in the next 2 or 3 years, theoretical physicists will be replaced by AI, with names like Ed Witten being outcompeted by AI systems. He says planning beyond just a couple of years is not something that he thinks much about because of how fast things are expected to change in the coming 24 months. We hope you all have a great weekend. Be on the lookout for some new integrations and updates from Near AI to kick off next week.